Okay, so today we're going to talk about how to create our student data tracker. This is what we did at the beginning of class on Friday the 4th of September. So the first thing you're going to do is to go to your Google Classroom homepage and you're going to click on your math class. You might be in 8th grade, you might be in 7th grade, you might be in Miss Nash's Algebra 1 class, but we're going to create our student data tracker through our math class. So I'm always going to click on classwork to see what I need to do for the day. And right here, under today, it's going to have a student data tracker topic. Our 8th grade teachers have our student data tracker under today's assignment. So our 8th grade students, you're going to go into your today's assignment and you're going to see the same exact spreadsheet and create it in your Google Drive. So I'm going to click student data tracker, or I'm going to click the assignment from today. And what you're going to see is your grade level data tracker. So the minute that I see that, I'm going to click on it, and it's going to create a new copy in my Google Drive. You'll notice you see 7th level math. These are all of our math standards for 7th grade. You'll see 7th level ELA. Those are your standards for your English Language Arts class. 7th social studies for your social studies class, 7th science for your science class. We're going to be using these student data trackers all year to track our own learning and to make sure that we're growing from our CFAs to our assessments. The only thing that we're going to do today is we're going to share this data tracker with all of our content level teachers. So even if you're in 8th grade, yours is going to look different and your standards are going to have the 8th grade standards, but you're still going to walk through this process. You're going to click the share button and you're going to share your data tracker with your 4 content level teachers. So for 7th grade, if you have Miss Creation as a math teacher, you would enter her name and you would make sure you're going to share this with her. Then you would think about who your science teacher is. One of our science teachers would be Miss Davis. And if you aren't aware of what their first names are, you can look back at your Google Classroom and you can find how to spell their names. You can find what teacher teaches what specific subject on that home page of your Google Classroom. So if you don't know that, I would pause this video and I would go back and look at my Google Classroom homepage to see who teaches what subject. If my social studies teacher is Mr. Coors, then I would type his name. So I have math, I have science, I have social studies, and now I would need a language arts person. So if my language arts teacher is Miss Landrum, then I would type Miss Landrum. I'm not sharing this tracker with PE or electives, so none of those teachers need to be on this list. The only teachers on this list should be your 4 content teachers. Before I hit the send button, I'm going to unclick the notify people button because I do not want to send my teachers an email notifying them that I'm sharing this tracker. They know that that's happening, so they don't need an email notification from me. So at that point, I would click share, and it would share this tracker with them. I'm going to go ahead and click cancel because I don't have to share this tracker with them. However, whenever I'm done, I click done, and I have my tracker shared with my teachers. The last thing I'm going to ask you to do is to create a bookmark with this tracker on your bookmarks bar. On your bookmarks bar, if you'll click the star where it says bookmark this tab, I'm going to click that, and what it's going to do is to create a bookmark, and I'm going to make sure that it's on my bookmarks bar, and it's going to show up right here. The reason I'm asking you to create a bookmark is so that anytime that you need to reference this tracker, whether it's in math or science or social studies or language arts, anytime that you need to access this tracker, it's already ready for you and you can do that. At this point, then it's on my bookmarks bar and we are good to go. Good luck. If you have any questions, make sure you email your teachers.